Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm excited because I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup using affordable makeup only. So if you want to know all the products that I use to achieve this look, then keep on watching. Today I'm excited because today I want to do a full face of affordable makeup. And basically all of these items you can find at your local drugstore or Walgreens or Target or any store like that. So they're super easy to find. So let's get started. So I only have my moisturizer on my face today. That's why I look so shiny. And now I'm going to use this primer by NYX. It's the Plump Right Back primer. And I like this one a lot. I just do one pump on my T-zone. I'm gonna press it in. And I'm gonna let this sit for about a minute. I'm gonna put my hair back so it doesn't get in the way. And for foundation, I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. That's a mouthful. Is this one. I think I did a review of this. If I did, I'm gonna link it down below because I know I did, but I can't remember my thoughts on it. I don't remember if I liked it or not, so it's like a first impression again for me because I honestly can't remember. And I don't remember me using this more than once or twice. So I don't know if it's because it's not my right shade or it's because I didn't like it. This is in shade Rose Ivory, which is number 15. Let's see. I'm gonna do it with a brush. Oh, I remember now. I remember why I don't use this. It's because it smells very strongly like SPF. And if that scent doesn't bother you, then you have no problem with this. But if you don't like that scent, then I don't think you're gonna enjoy this one. But it has great coverage. I have to give it that. It covers everything and it feels lightweight. And it does have SPF. Yes, it has SPF of 50 plus antioxidants. And a little goes a long way with this. Look at the coverage it has. For concealer, I bought this one by NYX. It's the Bare With Me concealer. And I've heard good things about this concealer. I've never tried it, and I saw it at my local Walmart. And when I looked at the shade, it says light, right? It says shade light. And it looked really light on the display with all the lights. But now that I have it here on my hands, it looks way darker. It doesn't look like a light shade, so I'm gonna try it anyway to see. And it's a pump. Let me just put it on my finger. Oh yeah, this is really dark. How is this light? Oh, it's not that bad. So I've heard good things about this concealer and I wanted to try it, and I always forget to buy it. But this time I saw it right there and they had a whole bunch of colors. So I chose that one. It looks darker in the bottle, but it's actually a pretty good shade match. And it's very full coverage. I just hope it's not too thick because I hate those. They look so unnatural and your under eyes look so cakey. I think it reminds me of the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. It reminds me of that one. It's pretty good. I think I like it. I'm going to spray my face now with the Milani setting spray, which is amazing. They have like 3 versions of this. They have this one, which is the regular one. They have a matte one, and they have a dewy one. This is just the regular one. I like to do that before I set it with powder because it helps my makeup last longer. So to set my under eyes, I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear Press Powder. This is in shade Classic Ivory. And for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay Blot in matte. I'm running low on this one, but it's very good, especially if you have oily skin. It keeps you mattified for a long time. So far, I'm really liking that foundation. It's pretty good. I like the way it looks and it feels lightweight. So I was thinking for affordable eyeshadow, I think I'm gonna go with this one by Juvia's, the Berries palette, because since we're heading into the Valentine's Day holiday and we're close to February, I thought this one would be nice for it, and it has gorgeous red tone berry colors. I don't think you can find this in any drugstore. I'm not sure. I don't think so. But it's very affordable, especially if you go to Juvia's Place website and you take advantage of their 50% off or 70% off. Palettes like this come out to like $4, so it's really affordable. I'm going to start with the middle shade. I think it looks very neon peach on camera, but it's not. It's pink. So I want to give you a little update of my channel if you haven't noticed, or if you watch both of my nail videos and makeup videos, then I want to let you know that I did a second channel, and that one is going to be only for nail videos. So I'm going to link that new channel down in the description box. So if you do like my nail videos, you could go subscribe to me over there. That's where I'll be posting all my nail videos from now on. I decided to do that because it was getting very complicated determining what people want to see in my channel, because I know there's people who love nail videos but they don't like makeup videos, and vice versa. So I thought it'd be more organized that way, to separate it, and that way the algorithm of YouTube doesn't go all chaotic, because that was happening to me a lot and I didn't know what else to do, so I decided to do that. So go show me some love over there. I need it because it is basically starting from scratch. I know some of you already have gone over and subscribed, so thank you so much for that. Beautiful pink. I'm not really that into pinks, but this color is very nice. I want to deepen the shadow with that gorgeous hot pink. I don't think I've ever used this one from this palette, so let's see. It is very, very pigmented. I'm gonna go with the first brush and blend both colors. I'm gonna deepen the outer corner with this one, the darkest shade, using a smaller brush. So how have you been? It's been crazy over here. Our fridge broke, and this is the second time it stopped cooling. And the first time I did that, we had to throw everything out because everything got spoiled. And it was right after we went grocery shopping. But then it was like that for 2 days, and then it started working again out of the blue. So we were like, oh, okay, that's weird. So we left it like that, and then about a week later it happened again, just like 3 days ago, and we thought maybe it'll get fixed again like it happened last time, but no. It's been 3 days, everything's rotten again, and we have to now throw away everything and figure out what we're gonna do. Everything has gone up, so all the fridge, we checked prices in different places, they're all like expensive. You just hate when that happens. It's like every time I set a budget for something else happens that I have to use that budget for that. And then I have to start from zero again every time. So these are the only two shimmers in this palette, which they're pretty much the same when I swatched it on my finger. It's basically the same. And I don't want it to be so dark, so I'm gonna switch to another Juvia's palette, this one, the Festival palette, and I'm gonna take this gold and put that in the inner corner over here, like in the middle. Spray my brush. I didn't add any glitter primer or anything, and it's fantastic. I'm gonna flip it to the other side and take the lightest shade in the inner corner. I'm gonna jump in back with this one, the small one, and go right into this one for the lower lash line. I'm actually gonna spray my brush because lately every single eyeshadow from any brand that I put on my lower lash line, it bothers my eyes. I don't know why. That wouldn't happen before, but now my eyes have been so sensitive to everything. I'm gonna add that dark shade from the palette right over here in the outer corner and connect it. I'm gonna go finish my eyes. I'm gonna put some eyeliner, mascara, and some falsies, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for eyeliner, I use the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. I love this one a lot. Then for mascara, I use the Maybelline Sky High. Awesome drugstore mascara. For my lashes, I use the Gala lashes in style 43. These are very natural and very lightweight. And for the glue, I use my dual glue. So now for my face, I'm gonna use the AOA bronzer. This is in shade Frappe. These are highly pigmented, so you just need a little bit. These you can easily find them at Shop Miss A for like $1 or 99¢. For blush, I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl blush, and this one is in shade Love Me. This one has a slight sheen to it. I don't think I need a highlighter with this. You can skip on highlighter with this one. So how it glows a little bit. But if you do want to add highlighter, I suggest this one by Wet n Wild. And this one is in shade Precious Petals. I'm also going to use this for my inner corner and underneath the brow bone. I love a bright inner corner. It just makes your eyes look open. And for lips, I'm going to be using the Milani lipstick in shade Secret. And for lip gloss, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal lip gloss in shade Feathery Fur. These are so good and they smell really good. So this is it. This is the final look. What do you think? I like everything. Everything's super affordable and very easy to purchase. I love those colors from that palette, from those two palettes. And honestly, I think this cost me maybe like $4. In one of those sales, they always throw out like a 50% or 70%. And this one was pretty cheap too. They're very good palettes for the price. So if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. So this is it. So if you want to see everything that if you want to know everything I use, so if you want to know, oh my god. So if you want to know